Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here going to present the new BBQ Adventure Series foldable grill. In a previous video, I showed you the Professional Series, which is made for extreme adventurers that would like to purchase a product to last forever. But here, with the Adventure Series, you have a very good product that is for people that will go camping every now and then. It's very clean, very affordable, and above all, very practical. So the body is made out of 430 stainless steel and the grill is made out of 210 stainless steel. All the dimensions and the specs are on the box. Comes in a nice pouch like this. Open the pouch. You've got the stainless steel box securing everything in it. And then you've got the stand, you've got the main body that drops here, you've got this to gather all the coal, you got this so that the coal doesn't fall all the way down, and then you've got the grill goes here, and then logo is etched over here. You're good to go. You just grill. As soon as you're done, time to close. This goes here, this goes here, this goes here. This folds so easily. Then this one folds also very easily. So, you know, the new law in the area is do not grill or do not light a fire on the sand. So these will come in very handy. Let us know if you have any questions. I'm definitely gonna go for a barbecue.